The most fundamental mistake even very mature and well prepared candidates do in the examination hall is misinterpreting the question. मेरे कई स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनके स्कोर में एक अच्छा खासा इंप्रूवमेंट देखने को मिला है ऑप्शनल के। CSE 2025 का जो रिजल्ट आया है उसमें ऑल इंडिया रैंक 5 ईशान भटनागर हों, चाहे ऑल इंडिया रैंक 13 मेधा आनंद हों। तो इन अ वेरी स्ट्रक्चर्ड मैनर द आइडिया इज टू हेल्प यू बी वेरी वेरी एग्जाम रेडी so that you can score on the higher end of the spectrum. How do you cover the entire syllabus? How do you divide your time on different topics? How do you get somewhat even exposure to a variety of topics? That we will try to do through this course with a very strong focus on PYQs. 4 sectional tests और 4 full length tests आपको दिए जाएंगे. That will give you a good exam type exposure. The tests are designed to be UPSC type. Hello friends, I am Pranay Agarwal. I am the Sociology Optional Faculty at Sarthi IAS platform. Sarthi IAS पे अब मैं लेके आ रहा हूँ एक Quality Enrichment Plus program for the students of Sociology Optional who are hoping to write the mains this year in 2026. The program starts on the 2nd of June, right? It will last for about 2 months or until your mains exam. And during this program, I hope to help you hone your answer writing skills. A very brief introduction about me. I have been teaching sociology optional to UPSC aspirants for more than 15 years now. And during this fairly long academic career, I have had the good fortune of mentoring quite a few successful candidates also with sociology optional of course. मेरे कई स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनके स्कोर में एक अच्छा खासा इंप्रूवमेंट देखने को मिला है ऑप्शनल के, चाहे वो इस साल के CSE 2025 का जो रिजल्ट आया है उसमें ऑल इंडिया रैंक 5 ईशान भटनागर हों, चाहे 2 साल पहले ऑल इंडिया रैंक 13 मेधा आनंद हों, चाहे पिछले साल के रैंक 77 नीलेश गोयल हो. इन सब स्टूडेंट्स एंड सेवरल अदर्स, सबके में हमने क्या देखा है, देयर हैज बीन अ सिग्निफिकेंट improvement in the marks in the optional which to a fair degree helped them to secure the rank that they did. Now you may be wondering whether this program is really necessary for you. How I will like to put it, that this program is in all likelihood it will be very very extremely beneficial for you. It will be an added weapon in your armor while tackling this exam. To what extent or why do you, what need does it serve? Basically it should help you become more exam ready and score higher in the examination. क्यों चाहिए आपको ये quality enrichment program? You know how I hope to assist you in your UPSC journey for sociology optional. अव्वल तो friends, to avoid very fundamental mistakes during your preparation and in the examination hall. The most fundamental mistake even very mature and well prepared candidates do in the examination hall is misinterpreting the question. अगर आप क्वेश्चन की डिमांड ही गलत समझेंगे तो quite likely that you will end up writing something which is not required. हो सकता है वो theoretically correct हो जो आप लिख रहे हैं, बट अगर वो क्वेश्चन की डिमांड ही नहीं है तो नो मैटर हाउ करेक्ट यू डोंट एंड अप स्कोरिंग मार्क्स. Another reason why or where QEP should help you this program is in avoiding generic answers in your sociology answer sheets. सोशियोलॉजी में जाहिर है सोशियोलॉजिकल आंसर्स एक्सपेक्टेड होते हैं, but a lot of students, despite good preparation, they end up writing generic answers because of the nature of the subject. A lot of topics are overlapping with GS and this is especially true for paper 2. Paper 2 में चाहे women के बारे में हो, tribes के बारे में हो, issues like communalism, secularism, regionalism हो, there is these sound and seem very GS-ish. how do you write specifically sociological answers, or how do you approach these questions from a sociological point of view? I hope that I will be able to guide you in that regard. Thirdly, what I hope to teach you in this program is how to use scholars, sociologists correctly in your answer. कई लोग सोचते हैं सोशियोलॉजिकल आंसर का मतलब क्या है, आप इनडिस्क्रिमिनेटली स्कॉलर्स के नाम कोट कर दो कि 4 स्कॉलर्स के नाम डाला और हो गया सोशियोलॉजिकल आंसर तैयार. ये भी गलत अप्रोच है. स्कॉलर्स नेम्स हैव टू बी यूज्ड ए करेक्टली एंड जुडिशियसली. इन अदर वर्ड्स, योर आंसर्स शुड नॉट बी स्कॉलर लेड. ये नहीं है कि 4 स्कॉलर के नाम लिख दोगे तो आपको ज्यादा नंबर मिलेंगे और जिसने 2 लिखे हैं उसको कम मिलेंगे. क्या आपने स्कॉलर्स के नामों का और उनके व्यूज का सही प्रयोग किया है, सही जगह पे किया है? दैट इज व्हाट मैटर्स. So that is what I hope you will be able to develop that skill during the course of this program. Nextly, friends, you should benefit from this course by learning how to structure your answers well. जितना मैटर आपका कंटेंट करता है, इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट होता है उसका उचित प्रेजेंटेशन. टू एंश्योर दैट only knowledge does not help you score the max you can in this exam. How you present what you know is equally important. So during this course we will be together focusing on that aspect as well. Both aspects, the content aspect and the appropriate way of presenting what we know to fetch the maximum possible marks in a question. It's a pretty well structured course. There will be more than 20 live answer writing sessions. In answer writing sessions mein, I will try to almost handhold you. During these answer writing sessions, I will be almost handholding you. मैं आपको questions दूंगा in every session. Then I will give you some time as per the UPSC pattern. मतलब 10 मार्कर दूंगा तो 8 मिनट दूंगा लिखने के लिए, जितना आपके पास एग्जाम हॉल में होगा on an average, या 7.5-8 मिनट. तो अगर 3 सवाल दिए मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 उस हिसाब से दूंगा. You will be writing those during the session. When I wait, after you are done, I will be sharing my views regarding how that question could have been possibly approached in a better manner. Then you can draw a comparison कि अच्छा हाँ ये तरीका शायद बेहतर है और मैं ये सोच रहा था तो मेरी सोच या अप्रोच में ये कमी रह गई. And during that we will be ensuring a very comprehensive coverage, friends, of all the important PYQs, all the important topics and the whole of the UPSC Sociology optional syllabus. इसके अलावा we will be meeting 2 times a week on a regular basis till the end or till the mains exam, so that any doubts, any queries in your mind regarding answer writing, they can be well addressed. Then also इसमें टेस्ट सीरीज इंक्लूडेड है. 4 सेक्शनल टेस्ट और 4 फुल लेंथ टेस्ट आपको दिए जाएंगे. दैट विल गिव यू अ गुड एग्जाम टाइप एक्सपोजर. द टेस्ट आर डिजाइंड टू बी यूपीएससी टाइप. द टेस्ट विल also be very minutely and thoroughly evaluated, and you will be given model answers for every question in the test as well as every question in the live answer writing sessions that you are given. Then of course I will be providing you with model answers. I will be providing you with any sort of current inputs etc. in those model answers and discussions, class discussions, to enrich your answers. And finally there is integration of current affairs, case studies, latest reports in the answer writing session discussions, model answers etc. So in a very structured manner, the idea is to help you be very, very exam ready so that you can score on the higher end of the spectrum. When I say higher end of the spectrum, I am aiming, or we should together aim for you scoring 300 plus marks or 285 plus marks. It's very doable. A very non insignificant number of candidates do it every year. A lot of my students have done it, right? So I hope we can together achieve that. And so this is all, friends. I hope this course helps you in your preparation journey, and let us try to figure this out together. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.